mi producción objetual, por decirlo de alguna forma, viene dado de mi cuestionamiento, de una búsqueda ontológica, o sea, personal. Yo tengo muchas dudas o incertidumbres o preguntas y me gustan las explicaciones que hago de esas preguntas. O sea, me gusta explicarme el mundo a mí mismo y pues en el camino pues me explico algunas cosas con esculturas y con pinturas, sobre todo con eso, esculturas y pinturas.
Being from the Caribbean, we kind of have this idea of synonymous identity, but Aruba is very different. So I feel like our work is influenced by that differentness, and like we have these relationships to whom, and like, oh yeah, this reminds me of whom, but a lot of the landscaping here doesn't for many of us. So I think that it'll be interesting for Aruban guests to come, and they'll be guests to our show, but we'll be guests in their country, for them to see the work that we produce based off of those connections that we can make between ourselves and our countries and here in Aruba.
Given that we only kind of started working in the second week of being here. In the first week we had a lot of intensive tours, just trying to get settled and learn more about the island. But yeah, it was sort of a rush to start working and start conceptualizing once we got access to the studios. But yeah, I think things are going surprisingly well. Everyone seems to be pretty on track for Saturday. I think it's important for people to come and see the work of artists also from Aruba, but also from the rest of the region. Aruba's been really supportive in the development of our works and kind of giving us information and also materials as well. So we want to try and return you the favor with hopefully a well-received show. So please come out and support.
Creo que es importante para toda la comunidad de Aruba venir este sábado a las 5 de la tarde aquí en Calle Grande para conocer las perspectivas, las maneras en que cada artista planteó su obra, ¿no? A partir de lo que vivió en estos 15 días en Aruba, en la residencia, en ateliers. Entonces sí, es diverso, ¿no? Uno va a encontrar diferentes tópicos, diferentes vertientes, ¿no? del arte, y es importante para la comunidad conocer, ¿no? un poco más de lo que se está haciendo, no solamente local, sino a nivel Caribe. Los referentes que ahorita están representando Martinica, Barbados, Venezuela, ¿no? Etcétera. Entonces la invitación es abierta. Yo diría que todo el público venga, no hay ninguna limitación de edad, sino yo creo que es darse esa oportunidad de conocer una nueva forma de pensamiento, hablar cara a cara con los artistas. Y bueno, yo ahorita estoy trabajando en este mural y que va a ser concretado el día sábado, bueno, para estar listo para el día sábado. Y bueno, yo creo que les podría mencionar muchas otras cosas de las que van a ver, pero me gustaría que mejor vinieran, ¿no? Para que lo constaten en vivo, ¿no?
Caribbean Linked is a really special space, and I think every group of artists feels that kind of regional connectivity in a way that's very rare, because it's hard for us to travel throughout different islands in the Caribbean. So to be able to have people here from 10 different islands, 10 different spaces, and all sharing their cultures, it's a really beautiful thing, and I think the work that comes out of Caribbean Linked always reflects that. So I would love to invite all of the Aruban public to join us in Calle Grande, Main Street, on Saturday at 5 p.m. And we're going to progress down the whole street from in front of Aruba Trading all the way down to Plaza Nikki Habibi. And then we're going to come back to Atelier to continue the show in the exhibition space here.
The Beitung experience. We invite everybody and anybody. It's kid-friendly. We invite everybody that's interested. Anybody que tem interesse em arte, que tem interesse em experienciar arte, we invite them.
Ting hopikos bonita pa wa, hopikos bonita pa experiencia. Anto, esa kita momento, chance único. Dus a mí te pensa que turgente que y por manera macabibisa llega a Calle Grande ya sabrá. Nos está guarda vos nang tour.
Esa kita é Arubiano, o website